Good morning to you all and welcome to online classes. Today we are going to discuss of prefix and suffix. Prefix means before the word. Listen the class carefully. Prefix means before the word. That means to fix. Fix a word before the word. And suffix after the word. Yes. Prefix means before the word, to join a word before the word, and suffix means after the word. So what to join before the word, after the word? Okay. Here in the cloud, in the image we can see in the cloud there are some words, and in the dots we have some joining words which has to be joined in the beginning or at the end of the word. Okay. So prefix means before the word, suffix means after the word. We have to join small words to the words which gives opposite meanings and sometimes different meaning. Few I will do for you and others you have to do by your own. First word is justice, nyaya. What you will join here? Misjustice? No. Injustice? No. Unjustice? No. Injustice? No. Disjustice? Okay. Justice meant no. Justice under no. Post ish only outly no. So disjustice. We can use injustice. Not justice also. Injustice. Anyaya. Justice means nyaya. Injustice, anyaya. Child. Child is a word. Here we can use ish. Childish in the last word. In the end of the word. Okay. Graph. graph. Here last we can use ic. Graphic. Yes. Graphic. Graduate, undergraduate, graduate, undergraduate. Equipment, race, racely. Yes. This race also we can use. Active, inactive. My mother's mobile is inactive. Healthy, unhealthy. Okay. Fortunate, unfortunate. Punya, akasmat. Fortunate andre nimma punya. Unfortunate andre nimma ketta athwa nimma hane baraha. Judgment. The judge gave the judgment. Quick, quickly. Responsible, irresponsible. Fortunate, fortune, disfortune. Regular, regularly. Or we can use irregular also. Successful, successfully. Accurate, accurately. Appear, disappear. Direct, we can use indirect or we can use directly also. How? Let us see here. Come at the beginning of a word. Prefixes come at the beginning of the word. And they change their meaning. They change their meaning. Like a cycle, recycle, view, review. Review means nodiddane mattu nodtiri. Okay. Taken, mistaken. These are prefixes, and this side we have more than one characters verb maker, that is reaches. Ed, we use walk, walked. At the end, es, s, ed, ing, ly, or, shun, able, all, il. Take a book and draw this chart. Okay. Here also we have some more examples. Age, mental age, old age, young age. Yes. Ends, importance. Then many words are there. Ent, assistant. Okay. E, referee. Then ENCE, difference. Difference. ER we have many words. Teacher, then tailor, ER or OR, tailor, doctor, carpenter, many words. ERY, bake, bakery, cook, cookery. Okay, makes a feminine form. Wait, waitress. ESS, wait, waitress. Then lion, lioness. Okay, full, spoon, full, cup full or bag full. Yes, mindful. ING, paint, painting, write, writing, any word, action words. ION, here a process, decoration, television, then preparation, operation, many words. Next we have prefixes, that means before the word. Just now we have seen suffixes, now we have prefix. Prefix, the words which come in before the word, that is against means freeze, anti-freeze. Freeze the ice cream, don't freeze the ice cream, that is anti-freeze. Anti-terrorist, okay, anti-chemical, in other words. Decode, decompose. ಕೋಡಿಂಗ್ ನಂಬರಿಂದ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಡಿಕೋಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದನ್ನು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಡಿಕಂಪೋಸ್, ಕೊಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸು ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿ ಕೊಳಿಸಿದಾಗ ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಗೊಬ್ಬರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಡಿಸ್ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್, ದೆನ್ ಎಂಬ್ರೇಸ್, ಎಂಫಸಿಸ್, ಎನ್ಕೋಡ್, ಎನ್ಕೌಂಟರ್, ಬಿಫೋರ್, forecast and foresight. Infield, infiltrate, imbalance, international, interact, middle, midway, misfire, misunderstand, mistake, mismatch, many words. Nonsense, non-exhaustible. These are the words which make you to make the words into opposite words also. Next we are going to discuss about the next poem, that is if. So what happens if? The poetess says, that is how, if I think, if means her imagination. Okay, yes, the poet is saying if. So just imagine if your parents won't give you what you are asking, then what happens? Okay, so, and if the trees are not there, what would happen? Just imagine. Okay, then if you don't have money, what would happen in your home for 2-3 days? If you don't have money, what would happen? You will not get milk, you will not buy fruits, you will not be able to buy anything. But if you fail in the exam, what will happen? Think about it also. Just if you fail in the exam, everyone starts moving away from you. You feel nervous, you feel sad about the exam, you start thinking, oh, what I did, I would have studied well. Yes, so the poet is also thinking, if you have something to give it now. If you have a word to say thank you, say it now, because tomorrow no one knows who is there, who will be there, who will not be there. So don't postpone it. Whatever you are doing, whatever you want to do it now. Don't always tomorrow. ಬಸವಣ್ಣ told, ನಾಳೆ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ಇವತ್ತೇ ಮಾಡು, ಇವತ್ತು ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ಇಂದು ಮಾಡು, ನಾಳೆ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ಇವತ್ತು ಮಾಡು, ಇವತ್ತು ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ಈಗಲೇ ಮಾಡು. ಕಲ್ ಕರೆ ಸೋ ಆಜ್ ಕರ್, ಆಜ್ ಕರೆ ಸೋ ಅಬ್. So here also Rudyard Kipling is saying about do whatever you want right now. If you want make someone happy, make them now. Or if someone are sad about you or they are mistaken you, just clear it now. and don't postpone anything. If you want to help somebody, help right now. Yes, and if you want to make a friend, don't postpone it, do it now. And if you have any good news to give someone, like you are looking nice, greet someone, congratulate someone. If you have something taken of somebody's, return it now. So don't always postpone. Yes, and when we give something for others, no, we feel very happy. Yes, by taking we will be in guilty feeling, but when we are giving by our hands, then we will be very happy. ಕೊಡುವ ಕೈಗಳಾಗಬಾರದು, ನೀಡುವ ಕೈಗಳು ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ನಾವ್ಯಾವತ್ತು ಕೇಳಬಾರ್ದು, ಕೈಯನ್ನು ಚಾಚಬಾರ್ದು, ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ದಾನ ಮಾಡುವಂಥವ್ರು ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಲೈಫ್. ಎಸ್, ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಲೈಫ್. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೊಡೋರಂಥರಾದರೆ ಇಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋರು ಯಾರೂ ಇರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದಾನ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲ ದಾನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ದಾನ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ. ಅನ್ನದಾನ, ರಕ್ತದಾನ, ವಿದ್ಯಾದಾನ. ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಮೆನಿ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್. Even a word, when you say thank you, others feel very happy. If you say please, everything they will give you. Yes, if you give order for others, hey, give me a pencil, no one will give you. If you say please, can I have a pencil, everyone will be ready to give you. Yes, so say smooth words, speak smooth. To give someone something, you must yourself be kind. It may be a half piece of chapati. If your friend is there who has not brought a tiffin, you can give half of it and you can have it. Then you will be feel very, very happy. You must be charitable, be strong, be kind and be charitable. ದಯೇನೂ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಅದೇ ಥರ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಹೌ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್? Either by getting the knowledge, either by money or many other things. Yes, and charitable. Whatever you have, share it with your friends, neighbors, relatives, whoever with you are, even with the animals also. So when you want to give something for someone, you should be kind, strong and charitable. He is saying, if you have a kind word to say it now. Kind word means maybe thank you, sorry, please, excuse me, forgive me, it's my mistake. Many words. Or if you want to congratulate someone, do it now. Why do you want to postpone it? If you have something to give it now. But what others do? ಇಲ್ರಿ ನಾಳೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಾರಿಗೆ if some beggar or a poor people come to a beg, then what do they say? Come tomorrow. Tomorrow never comes. ನಾಳೆ ಬರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾಳೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. It goes on postponing. So don't postpone it. If you have something to give it now. If you can make someone glad or another less sad, do it now. Yes, if someone are sad, make them happy. Glad means happy. If you can make someone happy, do it now, or another less sad. Yes, if by your words or by giving something, if others become less sad, do it now. But when we see people fighting for the rights, ಹಕ್ಕುಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಜಗಳ ಆಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ, ಡ್ಯೂಟೀಸ್ ನೋ ಒನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಫಾಲೋ. ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ದೇರ್ ರೈಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದ poet is saying, if you have a kind word to say it now. If you have something to give it now. If you can make someone glad or another less sad, do it now. If there's good news to give it now. Yes, by giving good news, others will be very happy and you will feel very much happier than them. So if there is good news to give it now. If there is friendship to show, hope you can raise. So if you want to make a friendship for someone, it is a time to do it. Why do you want to postpone? If there is a friendship to show, hope you can raise, or someone you can praise. Do it now, do it now, do it now. If you have trust to bestow, give it now. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾರ ಮೇಲಾದರೂ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇತ್ತು, ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಮುಂದೆ ಯಾಕೆ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲರಿ ನಾಳೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡಂದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು ರೀ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ಪೋನ್ ಇಟ್. ಇಫ್ ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಕರೇಜ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್, pain you can ease. If you have something daring that you can do something less for pain others, then do it now. Or someone you can please, make them others happy. So do it now, do it now, do it now. Yes. If you have a kind word to say it now. If you have something to give it now. If you can make someone glad or another less sad, do it now, do it now, do it now. If there is good news to give it now. If there is friendship to show, hope you can raise, or someone you can praise, do it now, do it now, do it now. If you have trust to bestow, give it now. If there is courage to give, pain you can ease, or someone you can please, do it now, do it now, do it now. Okay. Now before it is too late. ಈಗ ಮಾಡೋದೇ ಭಾಳ ಲೇಟ್ ಅದ. ನೌಸ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಗುಡ್ ಡೀಡ್. ಈಗ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋ ಟೈಮ್ ಅದ. ಡು ನಾಟ್ ವೇಟ್ ಅಂಟಿಲ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ, ಫಾರ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಟೂ ಲೇಟ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ಪೋನ್ ಇಟ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ, God knows tomorrow what happens. Yes, anything might happen. So whatever you want to do it now, just do it now. Don't postpone it. Okay. So in the next class we will discuss about the question answers of the poem. Please read the poem again and again. Just lighten a light in your heart and be a kind human being. Yes, we are saving for ourselves, but we have to save for others also, no? Yes. So let us do a good, kind nature towards the nature and towards our parents, friends, or whoever we see. They may be our relatives or they are strangers. We have seen many stories, we have heard many incidents that postponing becomes a big problem, or it never happens. Tomorrow never comes. Okay. So if you have something in your mind, write down what you want to do in your notebooks, like saying thank you. If you want to make someone's happy, make them happy. If you have someone's things with you, return it back. Yes. And if you want to do something achievement like courses, if you want to improve your handwriting, do it now. If you want to read a book, read it now. If you want to meet someone, meet right now. Don't postpone, which never comes. Tomorrow never comes. Thank you for watching, my dear children. Let us meet in the next class. Have a nice day. Have a great time. Be good, do good. Be simple, be sample.